How does pharmacodynamics apply to veterinary pharmacy? Imagine giving a medication to an animal and wondering exactly how it works inside their body. That's where pharmacodynamics comes into play. It is the study of how drugs affect living organisms, including animals, after they are given. In veterinary pharmacy careers, understanding pharmacodynamics is key to making sure medications do what they are supposed to do safely and effectively. Pharmacodynamics focuses on how drugs interact with specific parts of an animal's body called receptors. These receptors are like tiny locks, and drugs are the keys. When a drug binds to a receptor, it can activate it, block it, or sometimes do both. For example, some drugs act as agonists, meaning they activate receptors to produce a response. Others are antagonists, which block receptors to prevent a response. Knowing how a drug interacts with these receptors helps veterinary pharmacists decide which medication to use and in what dose. In clinical roles, pharmacodynamics helps determine the right amount of medication for different animals. Since animals vary in size, species, and physiology, the way drugs affect them can differ. For instance, a dose that works well for a dog might be too strong or too weak for a cat. Pharmacodynamics guides veterinarians and pharmacy support staff in choosing the correct dosage to get the desired effect without causing harm. Monitoring drug effects is another important part. After administering medication, veterinary professionals observe how the animal responds. If the drug is working as expected, the animal's symptoms should improve. If not, adjustments might be needed. Pharmacodynamics also helps predict possible side effects, so veterinary teams can warn pet owners and prevent adverse reactions. Veterinary pharmacy support and administration involve educating animal owners about how medications work. Explaining the drug's mechanism of action helps owners understand why their pet needs the medication and what to expect. It also assists in managing expectations and ensuring compliance with treatment plans. Pharmacodynamics works hand in hand with pharmacokinetics, which studies how the animal's body absorbs, distributes, metabolizes, and excretes drugs. Together, these fields help veterinary pharmacists develop safe, effective treatment plans tailored to each animal. They also play a role in creating new veterinary drugs by understanding how chemical modifications can improve drug safety and potency. For those pursuing careers in veterinary pharmacy, a solid grasp of pharmacodynamics is essential. It helps ensure medications are used responsibly and effectively, leading to better health outcomes for animals. Whether working directly with animals or supporting veterinary teams, understanding how drugs influence the body is fundamental to providing top-quality animal care.